What's up, beautiful people? In this episode, we will be touring I say our because we all in this thing together, our gardening website. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 How y'all doing, great people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr., back again for yet another video, and I am also excited. Yes, I am inside. It is very cold outside, which I'm sure all of you all can attest to, no matter where you are. Obviously, I am in Florida, and I am for a reason, okay? And the plants outside are doing the same. However, I will say, small plug, the kale and the collards are doing oh so great. Plants like those love the cold, and actually they'll be sweeter because of the cold. So I have some dino kale that I'm gonna pick that's been outside during this cold, and I'm excited to, taste the benefits of it being in the cold. But nonetheless, like I said, this video is all about showcasing and showing our because I mean, we're the community together, our very first website, and I'm also excited to show you all. So without further ado, I'm gonna pop this bad boy up, and as you can see, it is here. GardenWithMeLLC.com is the website in which you can find our website, where it shows all the various gardening things, services, and products that will soon be on this here website. And so as you can see, I have various photos that have been captured from YouTube, obviously, because that is how and where this whole idea come about. And I wanted to show you all first before I show anybody, right? The whole idea behind this launch will take place on February 1st, which 2022. However, this video is coming out a day before because it's all saying thank you to you all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, let me know in the comments section. So as you can see, starting out with various photos at the top, garden with me as you begin your food paradise. And that's what it's all about, creating an oasis, food paradise, and a way for you to be able to eat healthy, be strong, and do and have fun times with your family, okay? And so I have the address in which you can send various things, which is the same address that is accordance with this here YouTube channel. And also you can send a message to me if need be, okay? And about me, right? I have top garden services in Tampa. You know what I'm saying? You say it first and then let the actions follow, in which you can read all these various things. Why choose us? Why would you choose this gardening service over other gardening services for those that are in Tampa or right now in Atlanta, or for those that may not be in those two particular cities? I do have something for you all, so make sure you stay tuned. And then here, as you see, it says, I treat your garden like my own, which is true. Like every garden that I've been to, I've thought of ways to improve it, make it better, coordinate it, organize it in ways in which I would do it myself. And I wouldn't suggest anybody to do anything that I wouldn't do as well myself. So yeah, this is like so very true. Services, here it is, Boom Shakalaka. For those that are not in the cities of Tampa or Atlanta, this is something that you can take part in which services, boom shakalaka, let's grow. All right, the first thing we can do is a 30-minute gardening, which I'm gonna click it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Woo! Throwback. I had the hair. I look farmer-ish. I look garden-ish. So that's why I went with the photo. But nonetheless, this is a 30-minute gardening consultation, okay? And so in this consultation, obviously I need to change that to consultation instead of consult, but nonetheless, in this consultation we will have the ability to either be virtual or in person, in which we will have the ability to go through and answer any questions that you may have with your particular area that you may be looking to garden, or different ideas that you need to make what you already have greater, and different things like that. I am here for you all. If you need any tips, ideas, or tricks, I tried so many different things. I'm very sure that in talking with you, we can come to a consensus, ideas, and ways in which to make your gardening situation better, okay? And so that's for 30 minutes. If 60 minutes is what you need, here it is, $70 per hour. And again, that is either virtual or in person. And so I will say, here's a little fun thing that I'm gonna do for the first three people. Now, when I message you, you will be one of 3 or 2 of 3 until it's 3 of 3. I'm going to gift you all this here hat as well, which I'm excited about these hats. This might be something that we do on this channel going forward, but nonetheless, it's a Garden With Me cap, a trucker cap situation, which I'm going to start wearing just like out and about. Really, I don't know if I'll wear it in the garden, maybe or maybe not for the videos, but nah, I'm excited about these bad boys. So I am going to sign this and send this to you all for the first 3 people who take part in the 60-minute gardening consultation. Okay, so hey, let this be you. As soon as this video airs, the options are open. Okay, and yeah, I guess I'll make a comment down below when they're all done, or even it may be in the description. So just be on the lookout if you're wondering if you are one of the 3. Boom shakalaka. So yes, we have I'm excited about these. Like, it was some cool design that went into it. Like, it has this whole rope situation going along with it. Here it is, the Garden With Me cap. Let me get out the way. Bop, 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 bop. And it's nice and soft too. I didn't even know all of this was gonna be a part of it. But yes, first 3 signed hat for you. But nonetheless, within this 30-minute gardening consultation, yes, I mean, hey, your garden or your space may be bigger or, you know, than you expected it or may have thought it was to be. And so 60 minutes may be what you need, but we're going to be able to get you what is necessary as far as information, ideas, creativity, or plans so you can have what you want. Also, services we have are our hands-on gardening workshops. So what does this mean? Maybe you are interested in gardening, beginner gardener, curious about gardening, or you just heard about it and it's just interested. So hey, we have the ability to either come with you. Well, this is mainly like in person, but we're gonna be hands-on, right? In person, hands-on, with some dirt in hand, with seeds in hand, and giving you the full scope of what it means to garden and even harvest, right? So that is usually about an hour, I will say, that it takes to get this bad boy done. So $50 is the charge for that, which, hey, we go through PayPal, which give us various payment options for you, okay? And also, if you want to have a raised bed set up, a raised bed build, some people just want it done, won't have to think about how it's done, going and get the products, boom, 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 shakalaka, like a boom, boom, boom. And so, yeah, we can do that. We can do that even in this raised bed, which is a 3-tier raised bed that I did, which has the capability of growing probably about 100 different crops. This one here cost me about $350, just to give you a scope of what it all took and things like that. So hey, let me know if building a raised bed is something that you want to be a part in or take part in. And I will say, for now, this is specifically for the Tampa Bay area for now. I'll do some dates in Atlanta if people in Atlanta do need something, or cities in between. Okay, I will do that potentially. Let me know if the price is right, we'll make it happen. But I will say, in building these raised beds, I will use, I'm gonna call it my miracle soil, okay, which I don't have on sale right now, but that will be coming up as well. I do want to talk about some other things that I'll be doing as far as products, okay? So of course, you all know I do the grow bags using my miracle soil. I also have some seedlings and things like that, so I will be selling those, which I'm waiting for the spring right now. It's been cold, it's been ridiculous with the different grow bags that I've sold already in December, which those went to people in Atlanta, so they've been experiencing different colds than I've been experiencing. So even still working that out and things like that, we're all growing and learning together, I will say that. However, that is one of the things that we'll be adding as far as products. Another thing is I'm working on a book, which I'm also excited about. It's been written. Now we're doing the editing and then of course formatting and then going to print and then having you and giving you the ability and giving us the ability to take part in the book. So that'll be another product that will be taking place this year. Okay, great people. So we're here. And then we also have some YouTube videos. You all know, I mean, this is the source in which birthed this whole business idea. Though it was a desire of mine, working out things through YouTube, having the confidence in reading your comments and things like that boosted my, you know, my mojo, my self-esteem and all that good stuff. So had to have and pay homage to YouTube videos and things like that. So what I will look to do is even showcase different people's gardens, as well as different builds that are done. We'll be able to put these bad boys here, okay? And so, yeah. And then why choose us? Hey, we are good for children. Gardening is also great for children, right? What better way as far as education, information, than for your child or for children that you know to know where their food comes from, to know how it grows, and to know how to never literally grow hungry again, okay? So that's why it's good for children. Black owned, you see me, can't knock it. It is what it is. Debit and credit cards are accepted. Like I said, we do go through PayPal, and it's family owned and operated, as you all know. The lovely Crystal Jones is my wife. Being the husband, we also have the little kids that are in operation with us. In due time, they will be on payroll as well, okay? But yeah, we're all in that bad boy together. Here's where you can find me. You know, that's where the business is registered and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's where it is. If you have any questions, here's a question box situation. Ask the question. Put your name in a bad boy, your email, phone number, all that good stuff, and it will come my way. Areas in which we cover currently, like I said, it is Tampa and Atlanta, and with the idea and the possibility of touching anything in between, and different ways in which you can get in contact with us. Boom shakalaka, there it is. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are here, we are active, and we are excited about what's to come, what's to grow, and the outcome of this business. And like I said, we talked about it long time, well, I'll say long time, summer of last year. We're here this year with the website, with experience, with sales, and I'm excited about what's to come. And I thank you all, right? Thank you all for being a part of this journey with me. Thank you all for encouraging me, giving me great comments, great ideas, and more than anything, support, okay? Even if you don't take part in the various services and things, please share it with people that you know. Please share it with people, especially if they are in Tampa or if they are in Atlanta. Sharing this will go a long way, right? So there's multiple ways to support businesses and people, and it's not always about what you spend with them, but word of mouth does go a long way. So with that being said, I'm excited. I'll, in various videos going forward, reference the website, throw it out there, let people know about it, because it is something new, it is something fresh, and I'm excited about having this platform as a way in which to let people know of it. So with that being said, great people, I appreciate you all. I love you all. And again, first 3 people to take part in the 60-minute consultation, most likely to be virtual because we know we're a little bit everywhere, will be able to get a signed hat sent to them by me and saying thank you for their participation and their support, right? So, hey, with that being said, be on the lookout. More merch is coming up. Hey, these hats may be a thing. We'll see. If you do want a hat, let me know. We'll figure out something, and we'll figure out a price. I don't even have a price. It was something that I saw that I wanted actually for myself. However, when this whole website thing came about, I was like, oh man, like maybe we should find a way for the great people here on the YouTube world to get these hats. So with that all being said, again, I mean, I can say that about 6 times, but obviously I love talking with you all, being with you all, and doing these videos. So, you know, I can do this all day. But with that being said, thank you. Again, thank you for all that you all have done to boost me up, to give me the confidence and show me the love and support. And yeah, we're here. We have a website, ladies and gentlemen. 2022 is only gonna grow better and better and better, higher and higher and higher, and I'm thankful that I get to do it with you all. So until next time, which is tomorrow actually, because it's February 1st and it's time to talk about things we should do in the garden starting in February, okay? So until tomorrow, I love you all. Peace. Love you.